Well, good morning, everyone. Please ignore the zit that I've been irritating the crap out of for the past 20 minutes. It's fine. Anywho, we put our coffee in our little to-go mug because we're gonna take Cammy girl on a walk.
Are you ready to go for walkies? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go for walkies. Or you just zooming around? You're the zoomies. You're a happy girl.
Okay, so I don't know if anybody else does this or if this is a thing, but one of my favorite like snacks slash like quick healthy-ish meals is just spinach and cottage cheese with like salt and pepper. I don't know why I like this, but I do. It's delicious. So anyways, that's what I'm eating while I plan my day. Hello, same hat, different day. So it is a new day, but I wanted to show you, yesterday I tried peel and stick nail polish yesterday. Excuse the cat, he's pooping. And I actually love it. Like, it doesn't look that bad. It just looks like normal nail polish. This side, there is a little bit of a chip in this one already, but it's kind of my fault because I was like picking at it. And I didn't do a top coat, which you're supposed to do, so I think it would look better if I did that. But like, it doesn't look that bad, and it was so much better than just like painting my nails. You know me, then you know I despise painting my nails, and for a while I was getting like gels or acrylics, which I liked much better because then, like, you know, you left the salon and you were good to go. However, they kind of destroyed my nail bed, so I was trying to move away from that. I just hated getting regular polish or doing it myself, and it was like, it didn't seem justifiable to go to a salon to do that. So I don't know, this might be the new thing because like it really doesn't look that bad. I think next time I'll try like doing a top coat, and I definitely, like, some of them I messed up on a little bit, so they're not perfect, but like if they hold up like decent, life-changing. Ooh, look at that gorgeous sun. Anyways, today's task is laundry. It's bad, everyone. Like that's just what's on the floor, and then like, there's so much of it. I don't know why I'm just like showing you guys my shame, but like, oh god, it's so bad. Laundry is one of those things that just like, it like piles up, and I don't know how it does that because I will like get it to like a good place and then it's like overflowing again. Anyway, so that's my main task today, is just catch up on laundry. Hello, this vlog is all over the place. I dyed my hair pink just on the underneath, which I really like it. I think it's cute. I haven't done anything to my hair today. It's a bit of a mess, but anyways. Oh, also we got a new coffee maker. Look, she's so shiny and beautiful. Our old coffee maker broke, so that's what happened. But anyways, the reason I'm filming now is because I just watched Alana Davison's video of trying out TikTok air fryer recipes, and she made these like peanut butter and jelly French toast, and that just sounds so good. So I think I'm gonna make that for breakfast, lunch, brunch. And yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so what I have here is I have egg wash, like I put like a plant-based cream and then vanilla extract, cinnamon sugar, and then my little French toast pockets to be. So I have one peanut butter and jelly and one Nutella and jelly, and then I'm just gonna like close them up basically. Okay, so I have my air fryer here. I just sprayed it with like a coconut oil spray, and then we're gonna do our little dip. I tried doing this with a fork and it got messy, so, oh, I should have done a bigger bowl. Oh god. Okay. Ooh, just gonna get that nice and coated. I feel like my bread is falling apart, but I'm just gonna put that in there. Okay. And see, like this one, I tried to close with a fork and it got messy, but it's fine. Oh, that looks so nasty. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put them in there. I have no idea if this is gonna be good or not, but we're just gonna put them in the air fryer. I don't know for how long yet. We'll see. Okay, they're done. They didn't hold together, like this one didn't hold together super well, but so I might have to eat these with a fork, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I cut them in half. Okay, that's really good. This is the peanut butter jelly one. That's really good. Okay, we're gonna try the Nutella jelly one. Oh, hot. This is really good. Okay, 10 out of 10. It's very messy, but delicious, so. Oh, it's stuff in my teeth. Okay, I'm gonna go eat that. Then I'll be back later. You guys. It's here. I got the Auric Beauty stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this. First off, can we appreciate how small this package is? Because most of the time when you get just a few things from a company, it's like this huge package, but this is like so small and little, and I love it. Oh my god, you guys, look at this packaging. Cami, stop. What are you doing? Look at this packaging. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Holy crap. And then I got the glow list too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna film a review on this today. I think it'll be up before this vlog, so I'll link it, but I'm so excited. Also, side note, my nails are looking a little bit 2012 Claire's right now. I tried another one of those peel and stick nail polishes, and I think it looks better in terms of like application, because I actually did a coat over top of like a sparkly nail polish. I don't love the design. It's just like a little juvenile, but like it's not bad. I definitely want to get some like solid colors and stuff like that, because I think that this is going to be my preferred nail method from now on. Hi. It's been like a week since that last clip, but hello again. I'm feeling incredibly unmotivated today. It's like noon. I've done nothing. I have to take Cam to the vet in a few hours. It's just like a routine appointment. So I'm gonna try to get some stuff done. I have, whoa. This is cute. This is real cute. All right, hat's going back on. I'm supposed to film a video today. I don't think that's gonna happen other than this. And I don't know, man. I'm just, I've been going through it the past like few decades, but no, just the past few days I've been like, I don't know, man. I don't know. But, anyways, I'm gonna try to get some stuff done in the few hours that I have before I need to take Cam to the vet. So I'll take you along for the ride. Okay. Also, if you're wanting an update on the Auric stuff, it's so beautiful. Just go watch the video I did on it. Shameless self-promotion. If you want to know more about it, but oh my god, it's beautiful. Okay, so I swapped some laundry and then I'm gonna tackle my makeup station. Oh boy. So this is where I've been filming my TikToks mostly, but I've also filmed a couple videos here. I'm not going to show you this like room in its entirety because basically it's kind of like a storage room. We're trying to fix it up, but I don't know. There's carpet cleaner on the floor there because I spilled red eyeshadow on the carpet. So yeah, I'm basically going to clean this up. I'm actually going to kind of basically take everything out of here and reorganize it. I have to wash my brushes too. Yeah, so this will be a fun time. Okay, so sorry, the lighting is really bad here. I organized everything into like piles basically where they're gonna go, so now I'm just gonna bring everything upstairs and organize it up there. Okay, before I tackle my everyday makeup drawer, I'm just gonna kind of clean up this space. What? What do you need? What? Okay. What's up? up, buddy? And then this like was my everyday makeup drawer, which is like a disaster now. So I'm gonna organize that too and like clear out stuff that I'm not really using out of there. And yeah. Okay, so I just quickly wiped everything down and put some stuff away. It already looks so much better, so much cleaner, so much nicer. So what I'm planning on doing is putting my makeup brushes in here, because before I had them in a brush drawer in the drawer and brush roll in the drawer. Wow. And I just really didn't like that. It was really inconvenient. So I'm gonna put my brushes in there. And then this is my little drawer with all my everyday things. I think I'm gonna do a like separate video with like my everyday makeup and stuff. But then, you know, I've got like deodorant, pills, and all of that stuff back there too. Boom. So it is about time to take Cam to the vet. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, we just finished with her vet appointment. She was a little butthead. That's okay. So we're gonna go get us a nice puppuccino. Yeah. Huh? You good girl. Okay, it's the next day. She's still feeling a little sore and tired, but she's doing all right. Oh, boof, okay. But anyways, I think that's where I'm gonna end this little vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, if you like vlogs like these that are just chill and kind of whatever, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.